color, malaking glue, 12 na notebooks, maraming pencil, paper, grade 3, pencil case, lalagyan ng lunchbox, malaking lunchbox, poster color pencil, marker na marami, 3 marker, tapos isang pambura. Color paper, marami pa yan. Bond paper, whiteboard, at saka meron din dito. Ang finally is Hydro Fresh. So, if you guys enjoyed, subscribe to me and like and then get the